Hi, I'm George Steimer, Senior Product Manager at Alfresco. If you're following along in the Policy and Procedure Management demo series, we're building upon a scenario where we want to make a change to a disaster recovery document. In this video, we're going to look at how the user can actually make the changes. So here we're in the system, we're looking at the document that we searched for in the last demo, and my user has the ability to check out this document. Now, this is a 1.0 major version effective document, and my user, the security is set such that my user can actually make changes to this document. Not all users are going to be able to do that. In fact, most users can only view the document. So there's a few ways that we can make changes, and I'll run through them both quickly. The first is just a simple checkout and check in. So I'll do the checkout. This is going to pull down the native content to my local machine, and I'll go ahead and just run the save. So this is going to pull the document down, and then I will open it in the native editor, which in this case is Word. So for this change, what we're going to say is that we got a new server and it needs to be added to the backup schedule. So I'm just going to go here and we'll say we added a new server, and we're going to add TSG prod web 3 to the Monday backup schedule. And I'll go ahead and save. We can see here that a number of new options popped up. I can cancel my checkout, or I can check in, and I'm going to go ahead and do that to just check in my changes. So I can choose the file, or I can find the document in my Windows Explorer here and just drag and drop the file. So I'll go ahead and submit. So this will do a couple of things. It'll obviously will change the document. So I can scroll down here and see my change. We can also see that this document has been made the next minor version, so it's now a 1.1 and it's a draft document. Now again, security is going to be set such that most users, when they search for this document, they're only going to see the 1.0 effective document. So I want to show another way that we can make changes. So along with the typical check-in, check-out, and editing locally, we can also edit the document online. So I'll go ahead and do that here. And we have this currently set up with OneDrive. So when I check out the document, instead of downloading it to my local, it's going to open the document in Word online. So I'll go ahead and just again make my change. And for this change, let's just say that I'm just going to do a minor wording change here and just put third. So any other third parties. So this is going to save, and I'll just close this browser tab. And now I can check in from online, which will pull the document from OneDrive back into the system. Go ahead and do that. And now we can see a new minor version has been created, and we can see our changes here. We can also take a look at the versions. We can see a number of versions have been created. We also have an integration with Workshare Compare where I can choose versions. Say I want to compare the 1.2 to the 1.0 version. This will take those two versions and generate a red line comparison. So here's the comparison document, and we can easily see here that this text third was added, as well as the text for the new server and the Monday backup schedule. Workshare also adds a legend page at the end so that you can quickly see some statistics as to what changed and how many changes there were. Well, that's it for this short demo. Be sure to follow along in the demo series. Thanks for watching.